Hello, my name is Kai and my Korean name is Moon Si-hyun. I am 13 years old. I am in 6th grade. I like reading English book because when I read it, it makes me smart. And my favorite hobby is baseball because I throw a ball well, and my favorite baseball team is Samsung because Samsung plays baseball game with baseball team, and one time the team won the game. And my favorite food is meat because meat has many types. Then my dream is to become dentist. Dream is to become like my father dentist because I will be a dentist. I will have a lot of money, so I need to learn English. Then I will introduce my family. My father's job is a dentist and my mother is a homemaker. And my younger brother name is Kevin Ford and is in 4th grade. And I have a pet. My pet's name is Izu, and my pet is a girl and she's a baby, so I like her. Thank you for listening.